Androcles and the Lion. There ance was a runaway slave, whose name was Androcles. His measter wasna chuffed, you'll ken, but Andy thought it was a wheeze. Whilst hiding in the deep dark woods, a great moaning he did hear. Then a muckle lion hurpled up, and to Androcles drew near. Now Andy thought his time had come, for to join the choir invisible. But the lion just held out his paw, whilst looking hellifer miserable. Jing, said Andy to the lion, "Thone lump is awfy bad. I can see a muckle hawthorn spike. Here, I'll get it out your pad." Frae then on, they twa were pals, this maist unlikely pair, and ilka time the lion made a kill, he let Andy hae a share. Yin day, when they were coming out o' the cave where they were lodgers, were they no captured baith by a wheen o' armed sodgers. The friends were transported then. They were brought to the Colosseum, a spectacle for the baying crowd who'd come in droves to see them. Being friends, they wouldna fecht, but lay down in the shade together. Nae thumbs up or thumbs down. What would be the pint o' either? Androcles was made a free man then, when the emperor heard his tale, whilst Leo for his native woods immediately set sail.